Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing software. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply animate your logo in CapCut. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and bring in your logo. Press Ctrl+I on my keyboard to bring in my logo. So bear in mind, your logo needs to be in PNG file format, that is without a background, as the case may be. So I have a logo I'm going to use right here. So let's say, for instance, I want to use this Microsoft logo right here. I'll hit on open. Then once I bring in the logo, I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop my logo right here. I can adjust the size of the logo right here. Then I can adjust the duration of the logo right here. Then I can also adjust the scaling and scale out of the logo. So come to the scale right here. I can simply scale in the logo right here. So I can position the logo, or better still, I can place the logo right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to animate this logo to give a kind of visual effect. Once you are satisfied with your logo scale, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to animation tab right here. Then you have different templates right here. There are free templates and premium templates. What you need to do is to select any of the templates right here. Like for instance, if I'm going to use this template, just click on it and you have it apply into your logo right here. Then you can also come down below right here, adjust the duration of the animation right here, just like so. So if you are not satisfied with this particular template, you can scroll down right here and look for different other templates. So this is another one right here. I'm going to download this template. Just like so, you have the template right here. You can also come to the video section, increase the logo scale right here, then go ahead and play the video now. And let's see the effects of the animation. So I'm going to go ahead and play the video now. Now you have the effect and the animations right here. If you are not satisfied with this one right here, pause the video, go back to animation right here. You can go to pop out. So right here, you can use another template right here, just like so. So if you are satisfied with that, you are good to go. You can also come down below right here, adjust the duration of these animations right here, just like so. Then you have it. Boom. So let's play the video from the beginning right here. So we have about two different animation added right here, just like so. So that is for pumping out. Let's take a look at the pumping in right here. So we can choose another animation for pumping right here. So let me take a look at this template right here. So we have this at our pumping in. We can adjust the logo. So we have different pumping in and pumping out as animation. Let's play the video. Boom. So we have the logo pumping in right here, and let's see how it's going to pumping out. So for pumping out right here, we have to select the hands. Then we click on pumping out. I'm going to use this template right here, just like so. Now I want to go ahead and start from the beginning right here. Then let's play the video again. So I'm going to start from here, play. Now we have the pumping in of the logo with a kind of powerful, neat shutter animation. Then let's go ahead and take a look at the pumping out of the logo. You can use this animation template for text, images, or what have you, as far as CapCut video editing software is concerned. So let's find out how it's going to pumping out. So just like what you see right here. So we have pumping in and pumping out, a cool and kind of animation in CapCut video editing software. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.